Project management demands both hard and soft skills to efficiently manage a project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to achieve a particular aim in a certain duration. You may be already managing some sort of project on a daily basis. It could be as simple as buying an office chair or launching a vaccine development program. However, do you ever wonder if project management is hard? If this question is echoing in your mind, then you have come to the right video. Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn how difficult a project management activity could be. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Every project is unique and different in some way. However, the number of projects, site location, team size, project value, and complexity are directly proportional to the level of difficulty for managing the project. While managing the project, a project manager is exposed to various demanding situations which requires a various set of skills, ranging from core technical to people management skills. All these situations lead to the production of the byproduct project management stress, which impacts the project manager and project team as well. If you want to execute projects efficiently and successfully, you will need some sort of project management knowledge. Depth of project management knowledge would depend on the size and complexity of the project you are handling. And acquiring the project management knowledge and skills for complex projects is not easy. Project management is both an art and a science of getting things done. An art because there is no one definitive answer for how to best manage a project, and a science because there are well-developed techniques and processes that can help significantly to complete a project successfully. So, why project management is hard? Project management is not necessarily hard to learn, but sometimes the hard and soft skills required for efficiently managing a project are very difficult to master. While managing a project, much of the work boils down to looking after scope, schedule, budget, and other stakeholder expectations. This work requires a clear understanding of the knowledge area, and the ability to integrate all these areas together so that each function work in a synchronized way. Usually as your experience increases, the understanding of the project management process and subject area increases. However, you do not need to become a subject matter expert in each knowledge area. If you don't have any prior experience in managing a project, and do not have deep knowledge of the subject matter in which the project is being executed, then most likely you are going to have a hard time managing the project. On the other hand, if you have deep expertise in your domain, but are not much aware of the project management process, there are good chances that you may strive through managing the project successfully. If you keep learning about project management through practical execution of work. This is mostly true for all big long-term projects, where the project manager is usually chosen from the domain area expertise pool. The best case scenario would be, if you have cross-functional experience of the various subject areas, and a good understanding of the project management process, then chances are your project management journey would pretty much smooth in terms of working. By utilizing a variety of experience and knowledge of project management, you would be able to provide innovative solutions for successful management of projects and meeting stakeholder expectations. Remember, we all are managing some sort of project on a daily basis. It could be as simple as buying a smartphone for your mother, or launching a rocket for NASA. If you want to execute these projects efficiently and successfully, you will need some sort of project management knowledge. Project management can be hard or simple as well, if you can manage the project work efficiently. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.